Hey there, Math Explorers! Today, we're diving into the exciting world of mixed numbers. Now let's take a look at a mixed number. If we have the mixed number 1 and 2 over 8, we now need to model and represent that on the number line. So if we take a look, we see that the denominator is 8, which lets us know we need to create a model and divide it into 8 equal pieces. But because we know it's a fraction greater than 1, because we have 1 and 2 over 8, we need to draw two models. And of course, we're going to divide both into 8 equal pieces because the denominator is 8. Once we divide our model into 8 equal pieces, we see that again, the mixed number is 1 and 2 8, which lets me know one hole is shaded. So I'm going to shade the first model entirely, and then I look at the fraction and I see there's 2 over 8. So I'm then going to shade in 2 of the 8 pieces, which I have then represented a mixed number as a model, which is 1 and 2 eighths. Now let's represent this mixed number on a number line. Again, we know that this is a fraction greater than 1, so we know that we're not just going to go from 0 to 1. We're going to go from 0 to 1, and then from 1 to 2. Now again, since my denominator is 8, I'm going to make sure the spaces between 0 to 1 and 1 to 2 also shows 8 equal spaces to correctly represent this mixed number 1 and 2 8. Once I make sure that my spaces are correct, I'm then going to go ahead and label each fraction tick. This helps me to ensure that I plot the fraction at the correct spot. Then I'm going to now represent 1 and 2 eighths on the number line. So as you can see, I draw my line from 0 to 1 to represent one entire whole, and then I'm going to hop 2 more spaces because my fraction is 1 and 2 eighths. Now, if we take a look at the number line and see that our mixed number 1 and 2 8 is the same as 10 8. 1 and 2 8 would be our mixed number, and 10 8 would then represent our fraction greater than 1. See, mixed number are not so tough after all. With a bit of counting and a dash, and there you have it. A closer look at mixed fraction. With these tools, you can visualize and master fractions like a pro. Thanks for exploring with me today. Keep practicing and keep smiling, Math Explorers. Bye. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that bell for notifications. See you next time for more math adventures. Thanks for watching!